Before starting with the video, I want to convey you a message. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to never miss an update from me. So let's move to the video. First step is to open your browser and type the URL in the URL section. Okay, I have opened my browser. In the search bar here, type CUTTLY. The direct link is in the description. You can copy it or click on it and go to that website. Now simply press enter. Okay, here is the first website you are seeing is our destination website. Okay, Cutly free custom URL shortener, branded URLs. You can also check the more feature of this website. Okay, click on it. Okay, the website has loaded successfully. It also have some paid version, but I will not recommend you to use paid version. Okay, you want, then you can also sign up here. Okay, when you scroll down, you will see a box here. You have to paste your link here. Okay, so I will paste my YouTube channel link. Okay, this is my YouTube channel link. Okay, you can see here, this is a massive longer URL. So I will copy it and paste it here and shorten it. Okay, this is the shorten URL. You can also check here TechwithRohit YouTube channel, and this is our shorten URL link. If you want to check the clicks over here, you can also register and use this feature, but I am not just sign up for this website. I will just copy it and open a new tab to show you is this website or this link works. Paste the copied URL link and press enter. Okay, bam, you can see that we have successfully redirected to my YouTube channel link. You can check here the YouTube logo. Okay, here is our page. This is the home page of my channel. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe it from here. This is the channel trailer. Do watch it and do also press like button. Okay, you have to simply click the subscribe button here. So this was a simple trick where you can shorten your longer URL. If you like this video, comment below. Let me know what are your reviews about me, and do subscribe the channel for more tech updates. Till then, bye.